28, jersey number 22, jersey number 77, and jersey number 19. From Central Pirates, jersey number 13, jersey number 22, jersey number 28, jersey number 14, and jersey number 4. Let's get ready to rumble! Mango Magnet versus Central Pirates, ang mga pirata ng Barangay Kapatan. Passing down to jersey number 22 is Coro. Number 13, Scoro to Kasuple. Kasuple, passing number 22. Rebound na naman. Still by Scoro. Scoro na naman. Scoro. Passing down to jersey number 13 is Scoro. Integro. Pass to Liancho. Pass it down to Liancho. Tulagan. Pass to Scoro. Scoro. Pinasa naman. Running violation. Cha-cha-cha. Pass Integro for 2. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 28, Integro. Deadlock 4. Number 22, Kasuple. Subukan sa Nugget. Rebound by Leon Shaw. Pinasa kay jersey number 86 to Integro. Integro pinomba. Pinasa kay Libera. Nag-aagawa ng bola. Central Pirates ball. Kasuple. Still, by jersey number 22, Scoro. Negative. Kasuple. Nag-aagawa sila ng Integro. Kasuple. With the ball. Kasuple. Still by Integro. Scoro na naman. Scoro. Yes, sir. Basket down to jersey number 22. Scoro. Negative. Rebound by Tipera. Pass to jersey number 86. To Integro. Negative. Rebound by Lienzo. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 22. Kasuple. Pass it down to jersey number 77, Yosho. Pass it down to jersey number 77, Yosho. Jaguar dribbling the ball. Back to Scoro. Scoro, grabbed by number 86, jersey number 86. Scoro na naman, nakakuha ng bola. Jersey number 22. Bang! Ang galing mo, Scoro. Number 14, Tulagan. Paso Kasuple. Paso Diego to Scoro for 3. Negative. Rebound by Integro. Pass to jersey number 86. Pinasa na naman niya Tipera. Yes, sir. Basket count to jersey number 19. Tipera. Kasuple. Kasuple for 2. Yes sir, ilista mo na yan, Kasuple. 2 points. Pass it down to jersey number 28, Integro. Kasuple. Kaya pa, pinasa naman kay Tulagan for 2. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 86. Pass to Rivera. Nabitawan. Nakuha na naman ni Tulagan ang bola. Tulagan. Pinasa kay Diego. Negative. Rebound by Integro. Foul by number 22, Kasuple.
Sir,
Integro, pass to Binwan. Binwan, dribbling the ball. Didiskarte, Binwan for 2. Negative, rebound by Integro, yes sir! Easy 2 points to jersey number 28, Integro. 18 down to 6. Kasuple, pass to Skoro. Skoro, dribbling the ball, Sumagasa, nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha na naman Integro. Binwan for 2, yes sir! Time out, Central Pirates. Official score 8-20 down to 6. Number 13, Skoro. Guard number 21. Skoro. Pass to Kasuple for 2. Rebound by Integro. Pinasa kay Binwan. Binwan na naman, Didiskarte. Rebound. Nakuha ni Diego ang bola. Diego, pass to Skoro. Skoro. Pinasa kay Tulagan for 2. Rebound by Leoncio. Pass to Skoro to Integro. Yes sir, ganda naman nun. Time break 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Tulagan. Guarded by Skoro. Tulagan. Hinahanap ang kasama. Pass to Kasuple. For 3, pinasa kay Skoro. Skoro for 3. Rebound. 22 down to 6 in favor of Mango Magnet. Number 86, Binwan. Winning the ball, Binwan. Sumagasa for 2. Negative follow-up. Rebound naman, nakuha na naman yung Skoro ang bola. Skoro, 4 kontra 2. Pinasa kay Diego. Nakakuha pa ng foul.
shoot.
Foul. That's your first personal foul, Sabret. Number 22, that's your first personal foul, first team foul. Sabret. Bonus with the shot to jersey number 28, Diego. Rebound by Integro. Pass to Binwan na naman ang may hawak ng bola. Out of bounds. Pirates ball. Jersey number 14, Tulagan. Babawi para sa Pirates. Pass to number 27. No good. Rebound by Integro. Integro na naman ang may hawak ng bola. Nagmamadali, Integro. Sumagasa. No good. Rebound by number 27. Nakuha na naman. Pinasa kay Rivera. No good. Integro. Yes sir. Pass it count to jersey number 28. Integro. Kasuple. Sumagasa, Kasuple. No good. Rebound by Integro. Tocale. Integro. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Pirates ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds to end the first period. Tulagan, guarded to 1. Tulagan, pass to Skoro. Skoro for 3. No good. Rebound by Jego. Jego, block shot by Integro. Nakuha na naman, out of bounds. Pirates ball. Time remaining exactly 1 minute to end the first period. Kasuple for 3. Negative. Pinasa na naman, Binwan, nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 22, Kasuple, pushing foul. Yeah, that's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Integral. Binwan. Yes, sir! Takbong mayaman, Binwan. 20 seconds to end the first period.
Kirim natin Dan. Shot.
Pass to Tulagan for 2. Negative, rebound na naman. Pass to Integro, Integro nagmamadali, Integro to number 14, Timpera. Napitawan, Timpera, sumagkasa. Negative, Integro. To Kalye, yes sir, passing down to jersey number 14, Kalye. 15 seconds to end the first period. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Kalye to Integro. And that is the end of the first period. Official score